One of the most entertaining features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series of phone is the instant slow-mo, which allows you to tap and hold on the given video clip to seamlessly play it in an interpolated slow motion. Samsung announced in its Korean language community forum that the instant slow motion feature will be coming to the S23 series, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 and the Tab S9 series. The moderator explained that Samsung is using both NPU and GPU to power instant slow motion and that the feature requires 16.6 million seconds of processing time for smooth real-time video playback. This ruled out older phones such as the S22 series. There's no word on the release of this feature, but Samsung said they would notify users when the feature will be pushed out to their devices. It will come maybe as a part of the One UI 6.1 update, which is tipped to come on older phones in next month. It's glad to see this instant slow motion features coming to other Galaxy devices, as ability to seamlessly view a slow motion video of any local video is very convenient. Samsung will also let users generate a separate slow motion clip from the local video, reducing the need for shooting in the native slow motion mode. In saying it stands the reason that the native slow motion mode will deliver more fluid video playback, and maybe Samsung is trying to end the 960 frames per second video slow motion feature on all their phones.